Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited to share with you one of my family's favorite recipes. These are spinach balls, and we enjoy these at both Thanksgiving and Christmas. My kids just love them and they always request them, so I've been making these for about 10 years now. So I am excited to share this recipe with you, and I hope you enjoy. If you want to see how I made them, then continue watching. To make these spinach balls, I'm going to start off with 5 cups of crushed herb seasoned breadcrumbs. Then I'm going to add to that 2 packages, which are 10 ounces, of frozen spinach that I've already cooked and drained of all the juices. Next, I'm going to add in 1 cup of minced onion. I'm going to add in 1 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. Next will be 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then I'm going to add in 3/4 cups of melted butter. My last ingredient is going to be 4 beaten eggs. Next, I'm going to mix my ingredients completely together. I'm making sure that my breadcrumbs are moist from the butter and the eggs, and I'm just going to continue until it is thoroughly mixed. I have my baking sheet that I have lined with aluminum foil, and I'm going to take my cooking spray and go ahead and spray that cooking spray onto my aluminum foil. This is just so it's easier to remove my spinach balls once they are done cooking. Now I'm going to take my spinach mixture and I'm going to form them into balls in my hand, and I do make these about the size of a golf ball. That's because I use these as a side dish. If you would like to use these as an appetizer, then I would make them a bit smaller. That way they are more bite-sized. After I form my spinach balls, I do put them in the refrigerator and let them chill for a half hour, and then I bake them in the oven for 350 degrees for 10 to 20 minutes until they are lightly browned. So there you have a quick and easy side dish for Thanksgiving and Christmas. I do serve this with balsamic vinegar because that's what we like to eat with our spinach. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, then please give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe. If you do end up making this recipe, then please leave a comment down below letting me know how you liked it. As always, thank you so much for watching. Bye.